Have you ever needed to or just wanted to upgrade or change your cupboard door handles on your kitchen? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Here we have our kitchen drawers and our door handles. And what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be changing out one of these handles. For the purposes of today, I have a different type of handle, or a different style of handle, which we're going to fit on and replace that one. If you then wanted to go on and change all the handles, it's just a case of repeating the process, and exactly the same for the cupboard doors. We're going to look at this top drawer here. First thing we need to do is open the drawer and, if possible, empty it, because it just makes life easier. The handle is held on by two screws at the back. What we need to do is undo those screws. And the handle comes straight away. So having removed the old handle, we're now going to fit the new handle, and it's exactly the opposite process. Now the new handle has come with slightly longer screws. That's fine, we're going to use those. So pop the screw through the hole, line it up on the thread, and start it with your fingers if you can. Line up the other screw as well. We've got the two screws lined up and they're in, they just started the threads. So now, take your screwdriver and just do them up. There we have it, all done. If you are planning on doing all the handles, then just repeat that process throughout the cupboards until all the handles are changed. Thank you very much. See you later.